Mmm. Bruce, do you like lemon? You just like Mommy? Okay. Yum.
There you go.
Oh.
Tell me you like tonic water.
You don't like tonic water, no?
I'll straw says in the drink first. Fine.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
No. Did you drop your lemon?
It's more of a throw than a drop, to be honest.
Did you drop your... Oh, he got his lemon back. Come on. He doesn't want a drink. He wants his lemon. Is that what you want? And your tonic water? Yeah. It's good in small doses, isn't it, Bruce? Mmm.
And dripped all over the floor.
Floors can be cleaned. Can't they, Bruce? Can't they, Brucey? Bruce, can I have some lemon? Can I have some lemon? No? Okay, I think that's enough messing. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.